Hey, are you looking for your baby? I'm sorry, your baby is someone is eating your baby. I'm so sorry. Where is Shila? I'm going to find her. She's eating, busy eating your chicken, your peacock baby. Are you okay? I'm so sorry. Yeah, I need to grab the babies you make and put it in a cage, otherwise they won't survive here with these animals. I bet she's enjoying her meal, her dinner. It was a nice baby. That baby was looking so good and growing. And the mama was teaching her how to eat. How to feed on the insects and things in the yard. And now she's gone. Shila, where is the peachick? Yeah, I see it. Naughty. Bad. Why did you kill the peachick? Hey, why did you kill the peacock baby? Where did you kill her? Naughty, no. No. That is not food.